Just a normal 15-year-old girl becomes the reigning queen of TikTok in 7 months. Gaining 22 million followers, she is now one, if not the most, successful influencer on TikTok. Hi, and welcome to The Luxury Wealth, where we cover all things luxury. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comment section below how many TikTok followers do you have. Now, here are 15 things you probably didn't know about Charli D'Amelio. Number 1. Charli D'Amelio was born on the 1st of May 2004, making her 16 years old. However, she was actually 15 when she became extremely popular and getting her net worth in the $1 million range. Not bad for a 15-year-old dancer. Number 2. Charli's height is 5 foot 7 inches or 170 centimeters. Number 3. Charli D'Amelio is part of the TikTok creator group, The Hype House. The Hype House are a group of 19 TikTok influencers living in a mansion together in Los Angeles where they can make and share content. Charli was immediately invited in due to her large following, and her sister Dixie is also part of the group. Number 4. Charli still attends school. She goes to a private school in Connecticut, and her family still try and maintain a normal, balanced life for their daughter. And number 5, according to onlinegambling.ca, Charli D'Amelio is in 3rd place when it comes to how much the TikTokers make per post. She rakes in a cool $149,000 for each sponsorship post. And number 6, she has more than 35 million followers on TikTok and more than 2 billion likes across all the videos on that platform. Her net worth is said to be between $3 to $6 million and growing every single day. Number 7. She had held a meet and greet in November 2019 which had put her in some trouble. In reaction to that, she said she did the meet and greet, which had raised about $7,000, and she gave away the collected money in charity. Number 8. Charli was discovered and grew popular after posting a dance known as the Renegade Dance. This dance actually became very popular on TikTok, and Charli capitalized on it. Within 6 months of joining, she had 5 million followers, thanks to her silly choreography and dance videos, as she puts it. Number 9. She's also currently the only TikTok star to ever appear in a Super Bowl commercial. The fact that companies wanted Charli in their multi-million-dollar ads says it all. Number 10. Charli D'Amelio's dad is a politician, and he's on TikTok too. His name is Mark D'Amelio, with 5.9 million followers and 97 million likes. Number 11. Her sister Dixie D'Amelio capitalized on Charli's success and grew a massive following on TikTok also. Dixie just released a music video as well, which trended on YouTube. And number 12. Charli D'Amelio dated fellow TikTok star Chase Hudson, also known as Lil Huddy. They met when they both joined creator group The Hype House and made the relationship Instagram official on Valentine's Day. However, Chase Hudson was 17 years old at the time and Charli was 15. By the looks of the videos on TikTok, Mark D'Amelio, Charli's dad, made sure nothing more went on between Chase and Charli besides the puppy love. And at number 13, Chase and Charli broke up, and Charli announced it on her Instagram story, stating, "Since you guys have watched mine and Chase's relationship from the start, I decided I needed to tell you all that we are no longer together." Number 14. Charli was a professional dancer before TikTok and still practices at a dance school to this day. Charli D'Amelio and her family, including her sister Dixie and their parents, are set to have their own reality show coming to TV screens very soon. They've remained tight-lipped on the details, but Dad Mark has said, "This has all kind of happened all really quickly, but we think if we're gonna do it, we'll go all in with it." And at number 15, Bebe had seen Charli's TikTok dances and was asked to go out on stage during the opening act for the Jonas Brothers at the Barclays Center and perform with her. And that was 15 things you probably didn't know about the TikTok sensation Charli D'Amelio. Remember to leave in the comment section below how many TikTok followers you guys have, and also hit that subscribe button as it does help the channel significantly. And I hope to see you guys in the next luxury videos. But till then, peace out and grow your TikTok following, baby.